Well, hey there, friends. It's Dayna from Nellie DeeCee Crochet. I am going to show you today how to make a single crochet ribbing. This is a great stitch for an elasticy, stretchy edge to a hat or some other type of garment. So, okay, here we go. Alrighty, I am using Shapiest Stonewashed. You can, it works with anything, but that's what one of my favorite yarns is. And I'm going to use my favorite hooks, the clover hook. This is an E to go with this particular yarn. So what we do first is a slip knot, and I make my slip knots a little different from a lot of people, but this is how my grandmothers taught me, and I've done it this way for many, many, many years, and you just might like learning this technique. So you hold your yarn, put your hook under your yarn, and turn it all the way around. Grab hold of the end, yarn over, and pull through your little loop, and that actually makes your first chain. So with this little demonstration, I'm going to do 10 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and now we do a single crochet stitch in the second chain from the hook, and then we do a single crochet all the way to the end. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, now we would turn and chain 1, but I like to chain first and then turn. Whenever a pattern calls for turning and then chaining, I like to do my chain first. So I'm going to chain 1 and then turn. Okay, now we're going to do a single crochet in the first stitch here, but the back loop. So here's the front loop and here is the back loop. So we're going to do a single crochet in the back loop in each stitch, the back loop. And by doing this, by doing your stitch in the back loop, it's giving your stitches a more elasticy, stretchiness. Now when we get to the end, I'll show you. Oops. So actually, there's one more stitch right there. Can hardly see it. It's a little tight, but the back loop. Okay, now I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and now I'm going to start again. In the first stitch, the back loop, however many rows you want in order to make your ribbing. I'll go ahead and go all the way to the end so you can see that last stitch again. And there should be one more, which is, I'm going to pull it out a little, and there it is. Okay, so that is what the ribbing looks like. Single crochet ribbing or ribbed stitch. Nice elastic. All right, so why don't you let me know in the comments what other stitches you would like to see, and we will learn them and do them together. So I'm Dayna with Nellie DeeCee Crochet, and I'll see you on another stitch. Bye-bye.